Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some different uses for fabric softeners. Some of these things are things that I do in my house already. I have been using them and I really like the way that they work. And some of these things are things that I have found on the internet, researched, and I'm going to try out with you guys today and let you know what I think. So if you want to see what those uses for fabric softener are, then just keep on watching. So the first hack is going to be one you've probably heard of, and that is just adding a little bit of fabric softener into a spray bottle and add some water. So I did about 3/4 water and then about 1 cap full of fabric softener, and you can use this for like a DIY Febreze, and you can spray down your fabrics. It works really well. I've done this in the past and I really like how it works. It makes all of your laundry smell like it's just fresh out of the dryer. And I'm showing you here, I did about 3/4 to a cap full of laundry softener, and I poured it into the water, shook it up really well, and then you can spray it on all of your linens, your pillows, your curtains, anything like that. So hack number 2 is a DIY fabric softener, and you can reuse this over and over. So if you're looking to save some money, this is a great option. So you just want to get a little container like this. You can probably find something at the Dollar Tree, and you can definitely make more than what I did. I just used what I had on hand. So I actually had some leftover Grove collaborative sponges. And I had just this Tupperware in my cabinet. So I filled it up about halfway full with water. I put a cap full of laundry softener in there, and I added 1 sponge because that's what I had, but you can definitely add more, and the Dollar Tree has all of these things that you would need. They even have the Suavitel, which is my favorite fabric softener ever. I also like the blue, but I've switched over to the yellow recently just for a change. But you will store it in that container like that, and then when you are ready to use it, you will take it and squeeze out all of the excess water, throw it in with your laundry, and go ahead and dry them just like you would any other dryer sheet. But when you are all done, you just take it out and store it back into the little solution that you made, and there you go, it's reusable. I could not find anywhere that said how long you could leave them in the containers, so I would say probably, to be on the safe side, I would probably change it out and make a fresh solution every 2 weeks and you would be good. But I found that this worked really well. It really made my laundry smell even better than normal, so this is definitely a hack that I will probably be using from now on. So hack number 3, I saw that you can use fabric softener to actually help unstick burnt on food. So if you've ever baked something in the oven, or you've overcooked something like noodles, for example, and they have gotten stuck to the bottom of the pan, you can use dish soap or you can use fabric softener. So I tested it out and it worked really well. So I let that soak in there for just a little while, and when I went to rinse them out, they completely just fell right off the bottom of the pan with no issues at all. And I do have a garbage disposal, so do not worry. Hack number 4 is you can actually use fabric softener to mop your hardwood floors. I actually had a subscriber tell me about this a while ago, and I tried it out and it does work great. It makes your house smell amazing. So this isn't something that I would use if I was really wanting to clean my floors, but a perfect time to use this would be as a quick in-between freshen up. If you were expecting guests or something like that, you could go ahead and you add about a capful of the fabric softener to your mop water and then just mop as normal. It does a great job. It does not leave any streaks or residue on my hardwood floors. I've been using this way for about 6 months now, and it makes your house smell phenomenal. So hack number 5 is a dusting spray. You can actually use that same spray that you used for like your DIY Febreze. I sprayed a little bit onto a cloth and just made it damp, and then you can use that to dust. You can use it to dust anything that you would normally dust with any other kind of dusting spray. And I really like to do this on my blinds. It does a really good job, and it also helps to kind of repel the dust so that it doesn't stick as easily. And I have found that to be true, and again, it makes your house smell amazing. So I was just dusting my kitchen blinds here for you guys, and that is hack number 5. So hack number 6, they say you can use the fabric softener spray to help remove the buildup from hairspray and hair products. And this is my bathroom door, so when I'm spraying my hair and doing my hair, a lot of the hairspray and my hair products will catch onto this door and they will build up. So I was just using the same spray. I didn't do anything different, and I sprayed down the door really well and I wiped it down, and I think it did a great job. And I really paid special attention to the door handle because you can really see it on my dark door handles, the residue, and it did a good job. I had nothing on there when I was done, and again, it smelled really good. So that was hack number 6. Hack number 7, they say you can use it for a defrizzing spray, like if you have static electricity. And I have heard of running dryer sheets through your hair for this, and I have used it and it does work. So I just sprayed some onto my brush and then ran my brush through it, and I didn't notice anything crazy, but I didn't really start out with much frizz, but I think it is a neat idea. Hack number 8. So I know that my girls know what I'm talking about when you put on your shirt and you get your deodorant on it. So you can actually take a dryer sheet, and I put some deodorant on my shirt for you guys to demonstrate. And this was my first time trying this. And there you go. There's the deodorant, and you can take a dryer sheet and it's supposed to remove it. Now, when I was filming this in real life, it took it all off. On the camera, for some reason, it doesn't appear that way, but I did insert a picture for you guys to see. It did remove all of the deodorant marks. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, Hack number 9. You can actually use fabric softener to shampoo your carpets. Now, I wouldn't do this to actually clean your carpets. You could go ahead and clean them with regular carpet shampoo, and then as an in-between refresher, you could do this. Or if you wanted to do this just to soften up your carpet, you can put a little bit of fabric softener into your carpet shampooing machine. So I went ahead and filled it up with water as normal, and then I added about a half a capful for me, just because I was doing my living room area rug. If I was doing an entire room and I filled the tank completely up, I would probably add an entire capful. But you just add it in there like you would the carpet shampoo, and then you run it as normal. I went ahead and vacuumed my rug really well, and then I ran the carpet shampooer. It is a Bissell. I got it at Walmart, the Bissell Pro Heat. I will try and find it and link it for you guys below if you are interested. I do really like this carpet shampooer. It's really easy to use, and it does have an attachment where you can do your upholstery or your stairs. So all you do is you put the solution in, and then as you are pushing forward, you hold the trigger down to release the solution, and then you let go. As you come back, it sucks it all up. It makes your carpet and your rugs smell so good, and it makes them really soft. This is something I've been doing for years. I love it, and I highly recommend doing it if you do have a carpet shampooer. And if you don't, and you have been wondering if you should get one, I do think that they are worth it. If you have a lot of carpet in your house, they are really nice, and they remove a ton of dirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this hacks video as much as I did making it for you guys. I love fabric softener, and I am so excited that I have all these different uses for it. So comment down below and let me know what your favorite one was, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys next time.